The 2026 Ford Mustang Shelby Motorhome is a groundbreaking blend of luxury and American muscle. This supercharged motorhome is ideal for thrill seekers who can't choose between luxury and speed due to its sleek, aggressive, Shelby-inspired shell and impressive performance. This RV is unusual. A 5.2-liter V8 supercharged engine produces over 800 horsepower in the 2026 Shelby Motorhome. It has rear-biased all-wheel drive and a 10-speed automatic transmission for excellent handling and grip. Some performance features are magnetic ride suspension and an active exhaust system with changeable sound modes enable road flexibility and smooth turning, Shelby-tuned chassis for better handling, carbon ceramic brakes for track-level stopping. Although small, the Shelby Motorhome can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 5 seconds, making it a motorhome miracle. Exterior style. The body mixes camper van functionality with Shelby GT 500 aggression. The car has 22-inch forged alloy wheels, dual exhaust with a tuned growl, a special front grille with LED signature lighting, aerodynamic side panels with Shelby stripes, and a solar roof. Features, interior design. You will be met by a luxurious Shelby brand setting, complete with quality materials and motorsports-inspired accents. 50-inch OLED wall-mounted TV with best surround sound. Racing-style recliner lounge seats with carbon fiber trim. Customizable RGB lighting themes. Auto-tinting glass and panoramic windows. Bedroom features include smart climate control, blackout ceiling vent, 2 nightstands with wireless charging, king-size memory bed with Shelby embroidered, and top-notch storage with soft close drawers. The bathroom has a sleek ceramic toilet with a heated seat and bidet, a complete wet bath with a rainfall shower and water-saving technology, motion sensor vanity lighting, a backlit mirror, and an eco-friendly water recycling system for long trips. A kitchenette, touch-controlled induction cooktop, integrated espresso maker, smart oven, full-size refrigerator, wine chiller, fold-out dining booth, Sync 5 powered control center, 5G hotspot, satellite internet, 360-degree camera with track mode rear view, integrated Shelby driving simulator for fun, lithium-ion battery bank, and full solar charging system for off-grid independence. Conclusion. The 2026 Ford Mustang Shelby Motorhome is a lifestyle revolution. For high-speed vacations and track-ready vacations, its explosive performance, bold design, and luxurious luxury are ideal. This beast makes a statement whether you're camping in the bush or dashing to a race.